Hi, my name is Holly Bridges and I am the author of Reframe Your Thinking Around Autism, and I'm also the creator of A.R.T Autism Therapy. And I'm coming to PCPSI in May to do a 2-day workshop on my art program and having a really good look at where our ideas about autism and our ideas about autism therapy came from, because they're so steeped in our history and our understanding is in a similar sort of way implicit that we don't really question it. But there's a lot of people now who are really questioning the methods of things like ABA and our approach to autism, which is very top down very often and very regulated with what people think people need on the spectrum and then how to get outcomes for them. My work's very different, quite a different co-design approach, and it's about autonomy and respect with the client and getting them involved in where they need to be. It's also about helping them really reduce their nervous system, because so much of the problems that stem from autism are about a person being in a very high limbic state, and when we reduce that, they learn how to feel better in their body. They say things like, my head's clear, my eyes work better, my ears are working better, I can grade my responses to the world better. And I'm not teaching them how to do this or that or be a good person. I'm simply teaching them how to be comfortable in their body, and it's quite a different direction. But what I do over the whole 2 days is really explore the why of this, so that we get very strong in understanding that first, because otherwise there's not really much change. We're all quite imbued with the current paradigm. Then once we've got there, I'll walk you through a couple of exercises that are so wonderful for people on the spectrum, given you know how to use them wisely and gently so that people are safe. All of this is based in the polyvagal theory by Dr. Stephen Porges, and his work is the basis of my book, Reframe Your Thinking Around Autism. So I really hope you can come. It's going to be an awesome 2 days. It is a lovely adjunct to any work that you're doing. It will enhance any work that you're doing, whether that's privately at home with your kids or yourself or your practice. It's very gentle, it's very easy, and it's really clever. And it's time we all started doing something just that little bit differently, so we're really, really useful to the people we're working with. Have a look at some of my testimonials, because you'll see just how interesting this work is. And it's very, very simple at base. Thank you. See you soon.